and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make earrings with color paper. So let's get started. So for this we need these color papers. So these are used to make like earrings. So you can get these from craft stores or else you can buy them online. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make earrings with them. So we need, for the top, we need 2 color paper strips. So I chose dark blue and light blue. So you can take any color you like. So for the bottom part, I am taking yellow, light yellow, dark yellow and one dark blue strip. So for the another ear too, same colors. So first, we need to take this rolling tool. You will get them. And we need fabric glue. We need some decorations like pearls to make them pretty. You can totally skip this part. So we need this to attach for the back of the earring. Like this. You will get them separately. So we need these. So yeah, that's it. So first you have to take your rolling tool and then we have to take your strips and you have to attach them together with glue. At the end you have to attach some glue and you have to stick them together. Like this, you have to stick them together to make one big strip and take the another strip too and you have to attach them together. And put it aside. Now take your strips, take all these strips and you have to attach it in your pattern. So, like this, for the bottom part we need 5 of them and for the top part we need 2 of them. So, I am doing blue, light yellow, light yellow, and dark yellow afterwards. Dark yellow. And again light yellow and dark yellow. So you have to follow the pattern and you have to attach them like this with glue in a big strip like this. Now you have to attach them together into a long strip. You have to do that with all your strips of paper. Now you have to take your rolling tool and you have to put the, you will get it like this. You will have like 2 sections like this. So you have to take your paper and you have to put in the middle like this and you have to roll it. So you have to roll the paper on your rolling tool. Like this, you have to roll it. when you reach the end, you have to take your glue. You have to take your glue and you have to stick it to the end of it, and you have to stick it to the roll. And you have to take it out from the rolling tool. It will be very easy to take out. So afterwards you will form a roll like this, mini roll like this. Now you have to roll your strips of papers in this way, like this. You have to roll it. All the papers you have to roll them into rolls like this. So you have to roll them like this. You have to roll the color paper strips into rolls like this. Now you have to take the smaller rolls and you have to place them on the top of the big rolls like this to form earrings like this. You have to put the big circle at the bottom and small circle at the top, and you can form a cute earring with it. Now you have to stick them together. So guys, you have to stick them together with glue like this. Now I have attached the pearl on top of the blue roll. I have attached the pearl on the both earrings. I have did that. So now you have to take the back of your earring and you have to turn your earring back and you have to attach it at the back of your earring like this. You have to attach it with glue. So guys, now you have to stick the back of your earring like this with glue, and this is how you make a easy earring with strips of paper, and it looks so cute. You can try this out with any color you want and it will turn out so cute. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. I'll see you guys in my next video.